So a friend who knows I have allergies decided to give me some lilies as some sort of a joke. And I've kept the flowers in another room, but I have them in front of me right now, and they are already making me kind of sniffly, as you guys can hear. But I'm gonna take a dip sniff here and see how it goes. Phew. 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 Uh-oh. Not again. Here comes another sneeze. Phew. Oh no. Uh-oh. I feel another sneeze coming. And it's gonna be a big one. Phew. Phew. Uh-oh. Here comes another sneeze. Phew. I'm so sorry about them. I can't really help it. Phew. Once they start coming, there's no stopping them. I'm so sorry. Uh-oh. Here comes another sneeze. Achoo! 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 Once I get going, I really get going. I can't help it. Uh-oh, here comes another sneeze. Achoo! Achoo! I'm trying to hold them back, but, oh no, oh no, I feel another sneeze coming, and it's gonna be huge. Achoo! God, I'm so sorry. I'm good at sneeze. Achoo!